Welcome to the tutorial video of how to use Telus eClaims integration on AppmaxCare Platform to create and submit private insurance claims. We are logging in with the admin credentials. You could use provider login for the same. Here, in the schedule list, schedule number 508 is currently in the booked status. Let's use this schedule and understand the Telus eClaim process. In order to bill any schedule, the schedule must be in checkout status. In other words, the service should have been rendered. Now, let's first verify the Telus credentials of the provider and the payer insurance information of the patient. Here, you can see the Telus eClaims registration details of this provider. Now, for the Telus eClaims, either you can use your organization as a provider to submit the claims, or you can directly use your registration details to submit the claims. This will totally depend on your registration with Telus eClaims. If you are going to submit the claims as an organization, then you must need to go here in the settings area, fill organization details, and enable this Use Organization Details as Provider checkbox. For our demo, we are going to use the organization as a provider. Now let's go to the provider profile and verify all the Telus credentials and other details are added. Now let's go to our test patient profile and check the payer details. Here you can see the private insurance details are already added. You can edit, view, or manage all the details accordingly. You can set the default insurance to be used when preparing the claim. This is useful when patient changed the insurance and you would like to keep the old record for any past billing. Now let's go to the schedule and check the predetermination functionality of the claim. In order to predetermine the claim, let's add the service code with relevant details. Billable service codes are loaded automatically as per the provider role and license. Here we have added massage therapy as service with the total service cost as $100. Make sure to add this to the schedule and save it. Here you can see the predetermination result, where it says if you submit the claim of $100, then what will be estimated covered by the insurance plan and how much will be owed by the patient. Also, it will give much more important additional details. Once you save and close this document, it will be automatically saved as PDF document under the Documents section of the patient. Now let's change the schedule status to checkout so we can create the invoice and claim accordingly. Now, let's go to the invoice area and select Private Insurance Invoice under Create Invoice section. Here, you can see our schedule in the checkout status, which is ready to bill. Select the schedules which you would like to create invoice for and click on Create Invoice button. It will create the invoice. Now let's go to the Manage Invoice, and here you can see our newly created invoice. You can email the invoice to the patient using Email Invoice button. Also, you can view invoice PDF. Now, let's create the claim for the insurance and submit via Telus eClaims integration. Just select the invoice for which you would like to create the claim and click on the Create Claim button. Now the claim is created. Here you can see the billing status is changed to Claim Created. Now, let's go to the Claim section to submit the claim to the insurance. Now you can see the response we received from the insurance, which says the claim is accepted, and insurance has supplied all the details with explanation of the benefits. This EOB file is saved here with the claim, which you can view later if needed. Now, as we can see, the claim is paid. However, still patient owes $10 because of the insurance plan coverage limit. Let's go to the Manage Invoice area to apply payment for this remaining balance. Also, patient can pay this balance using Patient Portal with their credit card. You can check out the separate tutorial video on how to use the Patient Portal. Here, you can see the payment posting entry from the claim processing, and here's the $10 balance. How to add the card to patient profile, and to understand how to process the payment using card, please check out the separate tutorial video on how to create invoice and apply payment. Now, let's add $10 cash payment. Just add all the necessary details and save it. Here, you can see the payment is applied. Let's refresh the page and you can see the status of invoice is closed and the balance is $0. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. For more informative tutorial videos, please check out our channel.